I welcome you to this session on machine learning. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about our second type of machine learning algorithm. In our previous lectures, we discussed about supervised machine learning and its various types. In this lecture, we discuss about unsupervised machine learning. Our first question is, what do you understand by unsupervised machine learning algorithm? Unsupervised machine learning algorithm is a technique or a method in which training of machines using unlabeled data or information without any guidance. As the name indicates, unsupervised machine learning means training of machines without supervision. In simple word, we can say that you do not need to provide information to machines. Machine will react on the basis of its own intelligence. This is known as unsupervised machine learning algorithm. Unsupervised machine learning algorithm, we solve clustering problem, and the most important clustering problem is k-means clustering. Clustering here stands for groups. Now the main aim of the k-means clustering problem is to group similar elements or data into a cluster. This means, let's say you are trying to cluster the population into four different groups such that each group has a people with a specific range of age. For example, group 1 has people between the age 18 and 22. Similarly, group 2 has people between the age 23 and 35 and so on. On let's say you are trying to cluster people into different groups based on their age. So for such problems you can make use of k-means clustering algorithm. The clustering algorithm is used in many e-commerce websites like Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, etc. The products we automatically appears in front of us and marketing a specific product to a specific audience. This can only be implemented by k-means clustering algorithm. Our next question is how k-means clustering algorithms work. First of all, k in k-means clustering algorithm is the number of clusters. For example, let's say I give you a data containing 40 peoples and you want to cluster their peoples into four clusters. That means your k will be equal to 4. Now let's discuss how k-means clustering algorithm works. Step 1. This clustering problem follows some steps. There are four different steps on the basis of their algorithm. Step 1. Pick up the number of clusters. Then pick a centroid. Calculate the distance from object to centroid. Group the data based on their minimum distance. And that's how k-means algorithm work as shown on the screen. So if you want to stay connected and stay updated about the recent technologies, then subscribe to our YouTube channel.